Inflation is an ever-present issue that can really strain your financial situation, especially for those of us in retirement or planning for it. When inflation is high, making smart purchases becomes more important than ever. Every dollar spent should be considered carefully. Let's break down how you can make smarter purchases during inflationary periods, and why protecting your wealth with gold IRAs might be the best solution to safeguard your future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs. Trust me, it's something you don't want to miss if you're serious about securing your retirement. Now, with inflation pushing up prices on everything from groceries to gas, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But here's the thing. Your purchasing power doesn't have to take a hit if you know what to do. First, start by understanding the true value of your money right now. It's no secret that inflation erodes the purchasing power of your savings, meaning the dollar in your hand is worth less today than it was last year. So, when you spend, always ask, is this something I need right now, or can I hold off until prices stabilize? A good tactic is to shift focus toward buying things that hold or increase their value over time. Think about it. Gold has historically been a safe haven during inflationary periods. Now, I'm not just talking about physical gold in coins and bars, but gold IRAs, a method used by many savvy investors to protect their wealth against inflation. If you don't already have one, consider it. Gold has proven to maintain or grow its value even when the dollar falls, and it can be an essential part of your portfolio to help protect against the erosion of wealth. Another strategy is to prioritize essential purchases over non-essentials. When inflation hits, it's tempting to splurge, but now's the time to be strategic. Reevaluate your spending habits. Is that new gadget really necessary, or can it wait? The money you save now can be better invested in areas that build wealth, like a gold IRA, which acts as a hedge against inflation and preserves your long-term purchasing power. Also, if you're in the habit of using credit cards to buy things, now might be the time to rethink that. With high inflation, interest rates can climb, leading to even more debt if you're not careful. Consider paying off high-interest debt first, and then use cash for purchases where possible. Doing this puts you in a stronger position financially and gives you more flexibility in uncertain times. Finally, look at alternatives to traditional retirement savings options. Many American retirees have already started to move their wealth into gold IRAs, seeing them as a safe way to avoid the volatility of traditional stocks and bonds. With inflation rising, you don't want to leave your money in investments that could lose value faster than you realize. Gold IRAs provide stability, offering the potential for long-term growth even during periods of economic uncertainty. To sum up, if you're planning how to make smart purchases during inflationary periods, think about focusing on needs versus wants, using cash instead of credit, and considering how gold IRAs can protect your retirement wealth. It's simple, really. Gold works as a hedge during inflation, and it's time you considered adding it to your strategy. If you're looking for more information on how to protect your wealth during inflation, especially if you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's the first step toward ensuring your retirement is safe from inflation's impact. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart decisions today can ensure a wealthier tomorrow.